What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with a follow-up tutorial to a video that I did months ago. I've been getting a lot of questions about this device right here, the Apple Magic Mouse 2, and the ability for it to work with the iPads on iPadOs. 4 months ago, I did a video and I was able to connect this to my iPad Pro 11 and it worked perfectly. No issues, right? But now people are buying new iPads and they're getting the Magic Mouse and it's not connecting. So I've hijacked every iPad in the house. I got everybody's iPad right here. I got my iPad Pro 11. I got my wife's 10.5 from 2017, my oldest daughter's 10.5 from 2017, and my youngest daughter's 9.7 from 2018. And I'm gonna show you why this device will not connect anymore. So let's check it out. Okay, so first I'm starting with the biggest, baddest iPad in the bunch. Mine, the iPad Pro 11. This is the one that I showed you guys it would work on and that you could connect this mouse to. Now, going into settings, the special way that you got to do this is accessibility, switch control, switches, Bluetooth device. Now, I'm going to turn this mouse on, Magic Mouse 2, turned on, click it. Nothing happens, right? Does not show up. Now, I want to come back out to my general. I'm running software version 13.3.1. Now, iPad 10.5. This is my wife's right here. This is 2017. I'm going to also go into accessibility, switches, Bluetooth, and it's still on, and I'm clicking it. Nothing is happening. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is show you what she's running. Software version 13.3. All right. Now, moving on to the kids' iPads. 10.5, same model as my wife's. I'm gonna come in here, go back to accessibility, switch control, switches, Bluetooth device, Magic Mouse 2. So let's see what happens. I'm going to connect it and voila, it is working on this iPad. iPad 10.5, 2017. The key factor is on this one, my daughter is running 13.1. 13.1 versus 13.3 or 13.3.1 is actually working with the Magic Mouse. Okay, now with the Magic Mouse, there's still no scroll feature. So I'll go ahead and answer that question while we're here. Let's just go back into the settings and just show you there's no scrolling feature. Still, nothing works except for your left click and your right click. Now, those things do work. So there's no scrolling feature, but you can just kind of push up from the bottom while you're holding down on the left side and it'll take you back home. So next, I got my baby girl's tablet right here. This is the 9.7. This model was released last year in 2018. Same steps. We're just gonna come into accessibility, switch control, switches, Bluetooth, and I'm gonna turn the Magic Mouse on. And it's already on the screen. Click it again. And there we go. Got the mouse working right here on the screen. No problems, no lag, no nothing. So I proved to you that it will work on the iPad, but the determining factor is going to be right here. iPad 6th generation, that's the one that she has, and it's running 13.1. So the determining factor for these iPads is 13.1. I don't know about 13.2 because none of my devices have it. Two of my iPads actually have 13.1, which would be the 10.5 and the actual 6th generation. Both of those have 13.1, and the 10.5 that belongs to my wife and my 11 are running 13.3 and 13.3.1, and they are not allowing the Magic Mouse to work. So hopefully someone from Apple will reach out to us and let us know. I'll be giving them a call myself just to let them know that this is not working with certain devices and just to see if they can get this fixed in a later update. But for now, I will not be updating these two devices, the 6th generation and the 10.5 from 2017. I'm not going to update those. I'm going to leave those like they are just in case something happens with this and I'm able to come back and update you guys a little bit more on this device, and hopefully they can get it to work because I really like this device, and seeing that it is an official Apple product, it should be the one that works. So just to make fun of a bad situation, I got my Note 8 right here in my hand. I'm going to turn this mouse on and watch what happens. Stop scanning and start scanning again. Magic Mouse 2 pairing. It is now connected. Now watch this. This is just putting salt all in the wound. Now watch this. There is a mouse on my screen. Boom. Right there. The Magic Mouse 2 actually is working right here, as you can see, on my phone, on my Samsung phone, no doubt. Now we know it's Bluetooth capable, but just to make a little bit of fun of this situation, it won't work on the latest model iPads, but it will work on the Galaxy Note 8, which came out in when? 2016-ish, I think. 2017? I don't know. Years ago, it came out. I got it when it first came out. But this is working on here. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Be sure and give me that thumbs up if you like this video. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.